Hi, my name is Marky, and today we're going to be checking out Oxnard's historic Asahi Market. Originally opened and operated by now Takasugi, the Oxnard native, while still in high school with his family. Now graduated his high school as the valedictorian at the top of his class and then moved to attend UCLA. Now Takasugi, while attending UCLA, helped to operate the business still for his family. However, during his junior year of attending college, the Japanese attacked Pearl Harbor, and he was then sent to an internment camp in Tulare. While the Takasugis were sent to an internment camp in Tulare, they had a family friend named Ignacio Carmona take over and help assist in running the business. Eventually, the family was moved to Gila River, Arizona, and he continued to operate, and the business continued to flourish. Carmona and Takasugi had met while Takasugi had assisted in teaching Spanish here in Oxnard, California. While the Takasugis were in the internment camps in Arizona, Carmona had successfully operated the business, and upon their arrival had gracefully returned the management back over to the Takasugi family. After the Takasugi family had regained management, Now had attended university in Pennsylvania to attain his MBA. After attaining his MBA, Now had returned back to the Asahi market and regained management, and this transition of management was a major historic moment in unity between two people. Carmona had the opportunity to take advantage and take over management of the store. However, he did no such thing, as he was a true family friend of Takasugi. With the Asahi market again under management of the Takasugi family, Now had decided to again get his education. He then decided to go to Pennsylvania and attain his MBA. With his MBA, Now had returned back to Asahi market to manage the store and operate it on his own. With Takasugi successfully managing the business, he then decided to put up a sign outside of his business. However, due to city policy issues, the city council had denied this request to put up a sign. Takasugi had decided to dispute this issue, and he had actually won. He had then decided to become a city council member for the city of Oxnard, and then ran and successfully became the mayor of Oxnard. Takasugi had later carried on to become a California State Assemblyman and had successfully worked for the state of California for about 8 years, until his passing in Sacramento due to a heart attack. After his passing, the Takasugi family continued to operate the Asahi market. The Asahi market still operates to this day and continues to stand as a historic landmark for Japanese Americans here in America. Thank you so much for checking out our presentation on the Asahi market here in Oxnard, California. Please check out the rest of our Radical Walking Tour videos and hit like and comment, please. Thank you so much.